Hi guys, welcome back to another video on my channel.
Thank you.
And today, I was gonna drink that, jeez. And today we're opening our bags, and I'm actually sick, so yay. That's why I didn't open my bag 9 yesterday. So I have 2 bags. She only has 1.
Just woke up, so
she has 1 bag.
I have day 8.
I have 2. I have
Because I
day
opened
9.
my bags.
Shut up. I was sick, so literally sick.
I don't need this attitude. That's
This is
day
day
8.
8.
Okay, I'll open day 8 with you. Ready? Hey!
Oh, I have this.
It's a hot chocolate ball.
I already got that one. I have this.
Oh, that's cool though.
I have this one though.
It's pretty.
I have the lavender flavored one, I think, or the strawberry one.
Oh, so why can't you probably have the lavender one?
I don't know if there is a lavender one. So now I'm gonna open bag 9.
That's why he wanted it. There's chocolate in it. How would he smell the chocolate?
And I got a peppermint kiss scented.
I got that the other
pod.
day. Look, there's mine.
We can put it on our tree.
I want to put on my tree.
Yeah, I don't want to put it on
I
my
would
tree.
put it on my lips.
Exactly.
Do you know how to crumble your bag up? Go. Put it. You're done now. You're just wasting time now.
Okay, so now we're gonna open my sock calendar, which is the best one because it's pretty. But I like the other one with the stuff in it. The like bad. I like that one. Sorry.
Yeah.
So, I don't know if we opened 10, but we'll see.
You did
Yeah, we
open
did.
10, but you didn't open 9.
Okay, I'm opening 9.
Well,
okay,
can't you
I'm
see
trying
which one has the open things and which one doesn't?
Trying. I'm just special, okay? Just leave me alone. I can't get it. Help me. Oh. Okay. Thank you. So for client.
That's what they look like.
Yeah. Oh. Apparently that's what happens when you open the ones below. The thing falls out. Okay, and now we have to open the stupid chocolate one. Yay. I'm never getting a chocolate countdown ever again because I keep on getting repeats. And I think they literally don't care. I think they just want money. But I opened 11 and I think I opened 10. I don't know, but it's fine. I almost just opened 6, my bad. I didn't though. Oh, excuse me, open something. Thank you.
Got
Which
him.
one it is? Oh,
This
it's
is the other
Mickey
one.
Mouse. Mickey Mouse. We've already gotten him. Get down, you big fart.
Thank you.
He's not cute. He's an ugly fart.
Mickey Mouse. Okay, next one.
I'm kidding.
Hurry up.
Okay. Shut up.
Dominic!
Yeah, Mickey Mouse and Mama got
Did you show the camera?
again. Oops.
Well, now you gotta throw that away. No! You let him eat it?
He got it.
Now he's gonna die.
No, he's not. He's ate in chocolate before.
This Mickey Mouse. Donald Duck went bye-bye.
Donald Duck went bye-bye last time by then, too.
Really?
But it was Franklin. I guess we'll eat this one.
Okay. Bye.